So here's a pretty cool problem. The windshield wiper, so let's connect it right here. The base of the windshield is 10 inches long. And it rotates, so it's going to swish back and forth. And it rotates through 60 degrees. So we'd have, when it's on the left-hand side, it would be over here, and this is 60 degrees. And so it's going to make an arc up here as it wipes, but only the last 9 inches of the blade. So there's this 1 inch gap down here that doesn't have wiper blade on it. And so the wiper blade is only up here. So consequently, this is going to make an arc, and it's only this area that actually gets wiped. And so the question is, what is that area? Well, what we can do is, for this whole thing, we could find the area, and then for the blank part, we could find the area, and then just subtract the two. Well, I look at this as a sector, but I also look at it as a fraction of a circle. So if 60 degrees is the angle, and there's 360 total, that means that it's basically 1/6 of a circle. So if I use the formula pi r squared for a circle, and then take 1/6 of that, that'll give me these areas that I'm talking about. So we're going to find the area for the big sector, which means go from here all the way out to the edge, and then minus the small sector, which is saying from here to here where it's not being wiped. So we've got, for the big sector, it's a radius of 10, so we would have pi radius squared, and that's if the wiper blade went all the way around. Since it only does 1/6 of a circle, then multiply by 1/6. And then for the other one, it's going to be 1/6 of pi r squared. And since the whole thing is 10 inches, and this part they said was 9 inches, that leaves 1 down here. And then let's see how much that is. So 1/6 pi times 100 minus 1/6 of pi times 1. So the total area is 51.836, and then it would be area, and this was in inches, so we're talking about square inches.